Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is UNCCD reports alarming rise in land degradation. Recently, the UN Convention to Combat Desertification data was released. UNCCD's new data dashboard, launched on October 24, 2023, combines data from 126 countries and indicates rapidly worsening land degradation globally. The 21st session of the committee will convene in Samarkand, Uzbekistan from November 13 to 17, 2023, where global progress towards land degradation neutrality will be reviewed. Now, let us discuss the key points of the data. Between 2015 and 2019, the world lost at least 100 million hectares of productive land annually, equivalent to twice the size of Greenland. Eastern and Central Asia, Latin America, and the Caribbean regions face severe degradation, with 20% of their land affected. Land degradation in Sub-Saharan Africa, Western and Southern Asia, Latin America, and the Caribbean is occurring faster than the global average. Some countries like Botswana and Dominican Republic have successfully combated degradation. Botswana decreased its land degradation from 36% to 17%, committing to restoring 45.3 million hectares and rehabilitating 1.42 million hectares. To achieve the UN Sustainable Development Goals for LDN by 2030, 1.5 billion hectares of degraded land must be restored if current degradation trends continue. Between 2016 and 2019, approximately $5 billion was invested in combating desertification, aiding 124 countries in their restoration projects.